Hello guys, this is a bonus lecture and here I will provide you some discount coupons for my other courses. I have already created some tutorials. First is on Amazon Alexa skills. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create your own custom Amazon Alexa skill using Node.js. Next is on Microsoft Boot Framework. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use Microsoft Boot Framework version 3 for creating chatbots. We will use LUIS and various cognitive services to make chatbots intelligent. Next is on Dialogflow. Dialogflow provides similar functionality to LUIS, but it was developed by Google, in which you can learn about how to use it, deploy it on Google Cloud, and publish it in various channels. Next is on Entity Framework Core 2.0, in which you can learn how to use Entity Framework Core 2.0 in ASP.NET Core with SQL Server. Next is on ASP.NET Web API 2, in which you can learn how to create web APIs in the ASP.NET. Next is on Cordova, in which you can learn how to use Cordova for creating hybrid mobile applications that run on Android, Windows, and iOS. Next is on JSON, in which you can learn about a JSON, which includes JSON data type and JSON schema. Next is on Razor View Engine, in which you can learn how to create web pages using Razor Engine instead of ASP.NET Web Forms. This course is freely available on YouTube. Next is Quiz on .NET, which includes 300 plus questions for various technologies within C# and .NET Framework. Because you have already subscribed to my course, you can buy each of those courses for just $10 or $11. Due to Udemy policies, for coupons you have to send me a personal message. You can also follow our channel on YouTube, on which there are some videos about some of the courses, and it also contains one of my entire course which is totally free. And please follow us on Facebook and get a discount on my new courses too. You can also read my blog which covers some technical posts. And thank you for watching this video.